live from the GIBBS house. I'm just kidding. We're not live. What day are we on? 55. Happy day 55, guys. I just got on the scale and I did not gain a pound yesterday from CC's. I really thought I'd wake up at least a pound heavier, but I didn't. So, like I said, you can still enjoy life. Anyways, we're gonna take our shot now. As you know from previous vlogs, lemon ginger shots. Can't live without them. Shot by me. Shot by this one.
I feel like I'm getting fat.
Say that all the time.
I'm getting fat.
Didn't it look like I did my hair? Totally just woke up.
Cheers!
Bye.
You okay?
Mom, come here.
What happened, baby? What's wrong? So I'm gonna get out all of Daddy, come here.
Wait a second, I'm cooking
You're
your
all
breakfast,
messed up.
man. What's the matter? What happened?
So it's apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna take that out. Just one. Two super greens.
You gonna eat those?
Sea moss gummies. Fat burner. I like to take these two together because I don't like the apple cider one.
You're really pretty.
Thank you. You want some gummies?
Of course.
You want the apple cider one or just super green?
Just a super green. Keep that outside.
Alright, so that's all of my little supplement stuff. My Herbalife package should be here tomorrow so I can get back on my Proletta. I wish I could take like the Total Control and Cellulose, but I can't. But if you're trying to lose weight, I would recommend you take Total Control and Cellulose and Cell Activator. The kids are helping him make some scrambled eggs. They're having their morning breakfast with Daddy. Every Saturday they have scrambled eggs and toast. I'm having 2 scoops of Dutch chocolate, 1 scoop vanilla protein, 2 tablespoons of espresso this morning, and some creamer. So I have my shake. I dissolved my espresso separately because I have found I like it better that way. If I'm blending it, then I like to put the instant right in there. But if I dissolve it and then pour it into the shake, I like it better that way. So I've been doing that for the last week. And of course, my favorite creamer in the whole wide world. And then I like how all the extra cups in our house are Starbucks cups.
You like that?
Yeah.
No, we're not.
I never in my life would have thought that Cadence would be like stuck on Starbucks. Like never in my life. And yesterday, you know what she did? She came in the kitchen and made herself a coffee. She made a coffee. She used to tell me how nasty coffee was for so many years. Holy cow. Have more kids, they said. So much food. Shake it up so the ice gets all nice and cold. Bless you. Thank you.
It's filled with milk.
Extra.
There's milk in here. Drink it.
Okay, I'm gonna go full close. Well, maybe no. I'll wait till after they eat the full close. So I'm gonna go. My video from the other day just finished uploading, so I'm gonna go put that on the internet. Hopefully, my video from yesterday will upload soon. I don't know. YouTube does not want me to be great, but we're gonna work with it. So see you guys later when it's time to eat again. Okay, so I just got home from last minute shopping for Mother's Day. So like the whole day is gone. I don't know what happened. It's already 5 o'clock and I haven't had anything to eat. And I forgot a bomb. So now I'm going to eat this. And then I'm going to run back to the store that I was just at, where I was in traffic for like an hour. And then I'm going to come home and cook. So yeah, that's my day so far. Came in handy. Protein bar saves lives. Babies are with their dad this weekend, but they came to visit me for a second. And they have goodies with Lolita and Reese. So I'm finally back home after our other little trip. So I already cleaned my chicken. I'm about to prep. Brooklyn has been asking me for 2 days for white noodles, which is Alfredo. So I don't have to make a bunch of different food. I'm actually going to make protein spaghetti noodles, and I'm gonna cook chicken and zucchini to have with mine, and I'm just gonna give her Alfredo and noodles. So my husband and I are going to have chicken and zucchini and all that great stuff. So I will show you guys my prep and me cooking it. So that's what we're gonna do now. Actually, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I only need like one of these chicken breasts for me and my husband tonight. But I'm gonna go ahead and prep the whole pack now. That way I'll have chicken like ready on Monday to cook, because obviously tomorrow's Mother's Day, so I won't be cooking. But I'm going to prep the rest of the chicken. That way Monday I won't have to worry about anything. I got the sauce and that warming up for the protein noodles. The chicken is done, so I'm actually going to push it aside and add the vegetables now. So I'll show you that. So now I got all my vegetables added. I'm just going to let them saute for a minute, and then I'm going to take it off the burner so that they don't get mushy, and mix it all together. So now we have these are boiling, and we have the sauce, and mommy got this top. And I'm actually going to cut up tomato here for the dressing. Unless you want to make them. Hey guys, so I just got out the shower. I don't know if I'm going to have a shake yet. It's early? I thought it was late. It's 9:30. So I'm just going to take all of my nightly supplements now, and then later if I do get hungry, I'll make a shake. But for right now, we're gonna watch a movie. It won't come out. There. We're gonna watch a movie, so if I get hungry while I watch the movie, or I might fall asleep, I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. But for right now, we're gonna do our nightly stuff, just in case. So I'm gonna do all three of these at one time: super greens and apple cider. Cheers. Take my sea moss gummies. If you guys want to order these, in the description to this video there's a link tree, and if you scroll down on the link tree you'll see Organics Nature, and that's where I get my sea moss gummies and fat burner from. And if you want the Herbalife, that's on there as well. Fat burner. I'm only taking these for 30 days, so I'm gonna see what my results are in 30 days. So far, so good. Pretty sure I'm not going to be on a really good meal plan tomorrow, but I'm still going to vlog it. So I will vlog Mother's Day. Hopefully I won't do too bad, but we'll see, because I have no idea what we're doing. I mean, I know where we're going and stuff, but I don't know. We'll see. So for right now, that's it for tonight. But if I do end up having a shake, I'll be back. But just in case I'm not back, I'll see you on the next video.